Hello beauties, this is Meenakshi Talwar once again. If you have not subscribed my channel till now तो subscribe कर दो and do not forget to press the bell icon. और अगर Instagram and Facebook पे अभी तक follow नहीं किया है तो उसको भी follow कर दो. So again I am very excited today as usual because I'm not going to talk about any makeup, any style, any fashion trend today. In fact, I'm going to talk about a very simple thing. What does it take to be an influencer? Influencer होता क्या है? When can you call yourself an influencer? Have you thought about it? सोचा है कभी? You scroll through YouTube videos and you see people having millions of subscribers there. You see YouTube, you see Facebook, you see Instagram, and then you realize that you stand nowhere. क्योंकि लोगों के लाखों फॉलोअर्स हैं, लाखों सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं, मिलियंस ऑफ सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं. यू स्टैंड नोवेयर, यू हैव नो चांस टू सक्सीड. बट हियर यू आर रियली रॉन्ग. यू कैन बी एन इन्फ्लुएंसर. इन्फ्लुएंसर होने के लिए फर्स्ट थिंग, you don't need to have actually millions of subscribers or lakhs of followers. You just need few things, few easy steps. You need to have confidence in yourself. That is very important. क्योंकि confidence के बिना तो कुछ भी नहीं होता. Today I am standing here with just few subscribers. I just started my YouTube channel. Yes, I used to make few videos back in days, but that was a kind of past. And then it was a total mess actually. And then I realized that I have to start my YouTube again. So here I am. I have this confidence in myself that I have to succeed. So I'm standing here. So this is one thing which is one of the most important thing, that you need to have confidence in yourself. Then second, you need to know your niche. आपका niche क्या है? What are you good at? ऐसी कौन सी चीजें हैं which actually makes you excited? It can be anything. See, it can be beauty, it can be makeup, it can be style, trends, it can be gadgets. You can talk about gadgets if you get excited, you know, when you talk about gadgets and electronics and all those things. You can just travel and you can make videos and you can just talk about, you know, different spots. ऐसी जगहों के बारे में बात करो जो किसी ने देखी ना हो. You can talk about anything, just any possible thing in the world. But then have confidence in your niche and just stick to that. आप एक ही टाइम पे 100 चीज़ों के बारे में बात नहीं कर सकते. You can just talk about, you know, gadgets and then travel and then makeup and then style and then motivation and everything. It will be a mess. Just choose your niche and just go forward. Third, you need to be consistent. That is again very important. Consistency के बिना कुछ भी नहीं है. If you're making one video today and it is just lying in your phone or wherever, laptop, without editing for days, and then after few days and after a month you just wake up and you're like, oh God, I have to upload the video, that won't work. So you need to be very consistent. आपको regular videos बनाने हैं. अगर long videos नहीं बन रहे because of any reason, so just make any content. Just make. आजकल तो there are so many options on Instagram. You know, you can make reels on Facebook. You can make short videos and so much more. So you can just make, you know, few second video and just put. Just be there. लोगों को अपनी presence दिखाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. People should know you. Then only they will subscribe you. और they will follow you. नहीं तो follow क्यों करेंगे? If you don't have anything, you have to give them the reason to follow. They cannot just follow you randomly. You cannot expect that. Then comes being updated with the algorithm and other things. See, खुद को update रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. And if you are creating any particular kind of content, you need to have that knowledge about the content. I've seen many people, you must have seen, people just talk about anything. sometimes it is just so vague that you just lose interest after just few seconds. So that should not be the thing. You need to have the right knowledge about the content and you need to be updated कि इंस्टा पे क्या चल रहा है, कौन से नए एल्गोरिथम है, यूट्यूब पे क्या चल रहा है, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ वीडियोस आर रियली इन, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ कंटेंट पीपल आर एक्चुअली क्रिएटिंग दीज डेज, जिन पे फॉलोअर्स ज़्यादा होते हैं या सब्सक्राइबर्स ज़्यादा होते हैं. See, these are maybe I am not talking very technically in my videos because even I am very new like you all. But I guess I'm making sense because I am realizing it every day. In fact, I am getting that anxiety every day. Now, what should I make? You know, maybe people will not follow me. Maybe people will not like my content. But then I am realizing that I have to just keep moving. Patience is again one of the most important step. You know, अगर आप में patience नहीं है, so it would be really difficult for you to make it. Trust me. Because you know, रातों रात there is no magic wand. रातों रात कुछ नहीं होता. You know, you have to wait. You make videos, you make reels, you make short videos and just keep making. And थोड़े दिनों के लिए ना just forget. Just even don't look at your followers और कितने लोगों ने रील्स लाइक की, कितने लोगों ने आपका शॉर्ट वीडियो लाइक किया, कमेंट आया कि नहीं आया, यूट्यूब पे कुछ कमेंट आया, यूट्यूब पे कितने सब्सक्राइबर हुए. जस्ट लीव देम एंड जस्ट कीप मेकिंग योर कंटेंट, बी इनोवेटिव एंड जस्ट प्ले विद योर क्रिएटिविटी because these are kind of non-technical suggestions, but I guess it makes sense because it is making sense for me as well. हो सकता है आप अभी भी इन्फ्लुएंसर हैं. There can be 5 people, 10 people, 50, 100 people जो आपको फॉलो करते हैं. They trust you. वो आपसे फैशन ट्रेंड की एडवाइस लेते हैं. They ask you about some gadgets. They ask you about how you do your eye makeup. They ask you about lip shades. They ask you about your hair care, your skin care. It can be any damn thing and you can influence people. So don't lose heart. It is a very new world for me as well and I am just loving it, but trust me, it takes hard work, रियल हार्ड वर्क. जब हम लोग टीवी में देखते हैं, जब हम लोग डिजिटल मीडिया पे लोगों को देखते हैं एंड वी आर लाइक वाओ, बट डू यू नो कितना हार्ड वर्क होता है इसके पीछे. सो just don't be scared of the hard work and keep patience, understand your niche and work on your creativity and just bang on. So that's it for now and do subscribe my channel once again. And don't forget to press the bell icon and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Bye.